Hello, in this video we will learn how to solve this inequality. Okay, how to solve this inequality. So we will solve. Also we will graph the solution set. Okay, we see how to do this. Now what you do, this is the central part. This is the central part and the whole thing is a combined inequality. Okay, so try to make x at the center. So what we can do as a first step, multiply by 2 each part of it, multiply by 2. So when you multiply minus 1 by 2 you will get minus 2. The whole thing when you multiply by 2 you will get 3 minus 5x. This 9 will become 18. Okay, less than equal to 18. Now again I want to remove this 3 as a next step. So what we can do, subtract 3 from each part or add minus 3 from each part. Okay, subtracting 3 from each part of the whole inequalities. Okay, so when you subtract 3 from here, it becomes minus 5. Subtract 3 from here, it becomes minus 5x. Subtract 3 from here, 18 minus 3 will become 15. Now again I want to have x here at the center. So what we should do, multiply this by minus 1 by 5 or divide it by minus 5. But when you do so, suppose if you multiply this by negative number or divide by the negative number, the direction of the inequality or the sense should change. That is, less than or equal to should change into greater than or equal to. Here also less than or equal to should change into greater than or equal to, provided you multiply by a negative number or divide by a negative number also. So next step is this. So dividing by minus 5, sense of the inequalities. Okay, so what is the next step then? See here, when you multiply this by minus 1 by 5 or divide this by minus 5 as is shown here, you will get 1. This less than or equal to should change into greater than or equal to because you are dividing by a negative number. This one when you divide by minus 5, this becomes x. This has to become greater than or equal to. This one when you divide by minus 5, you will get minus 3. This should be properly written as, correct, minus 3 should come here and use less than or equal to symbol here. Similarly here also, but you bring minus 3 to this side, 1 to the right side. You write like this. Okay, now we get that is the x should be in such a way that minus 3 less than or equal to x and x less than or equal to 1. So the solution set is all x such that minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. We understood this. Now we will graph this on a number line. Okay, number line. Right. Let's say 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, because here on the left end point we have minus 3 here. Left end point is minus 3, right end point is 1 including the end points. So let's say this is 1. But you see x can also be equal to minus 3. So there should be a closed circle that means minus 3 is included, and the other side you have 1, and 1 is also included because of this equation symbol here, because it is less than or equal to 1, no, so you should include this also. And all these things from here to here, including the endpoints, is a solution set. All these things. Okay, this is the solution set. This is a line graph. Okay, understood? Thank you.